They require fewer pesticides and less water. They are the genetic foundation of a new survival system. Purslane, a common weed, has more omega-3 fatty acids than any other leafy green. Survival is all around you. Coffee, cocoa, tea, and rice, not just price. They are changing in flavor and nutrition. This is not a story about one farm or one country. It is a story about the future of plants and harvests. When temperatures rise and rainfall becomes erratic, plants respond the only way they can. They grow differently. They ripen differently and sometimes taste completely different from the harvest before. Quality is vanishing. Coffee is one of the clearest examples. In cooler highlands, Arabica can still produce bright acidity. But when heat climbs, the cup becomes flatter and more bitter. The chemistry of the bean is under siege. Heat and moisture shift harvest timing and invite pests, pushing quality farms to search for higher ground. Farms are searching for higher ground and deeper shade. Now look at cocoa. A healthy cacao tree needs stability, but warming weather makes pollination harder. That means less fat in the beans and a final chocolate bar that loses the richness people expect. Less fat in the beans means a weaker flavor. Tea tells the same story. When conditions get warmer, bitterness rises and sweetness falls. The aroma changes. For growers, it means more fungal pressure when it stays wet, or insect outbreaks when it turns dry. And then there is rice, the center of everyday survival. Rice is not just food, it is identity and security. But rice is sensitive. Too much rain ruins everything. Saltwater intrusion makes coastal fields unusable. But rice is extremely sensitive. Too much rain ruins the grain. Saltwater intrusion makes coastal fields unusable. Wheat and corn are the foundation of global calories, yet they are trapped in a terminal heat cycle. For every degree of warming, global wheat and corn yields are projected to drop by 6%. It is math. For every degree of warming, global wheat and corn yields are projected to drop by 6%. It is math. In Russia, record heat waves are lowering both the yield and the quality of essential wheat protein. Brazil's corn crops are facing a 15% output reduction as the red dust swallows the harvest. 80% of the world's vanilla sits in one corner of Madagascar, caught in a cycle of cyclones. Hand pollination is becoming impossible as the heat spikes. In vanilla wars, farmers face theft and violence. Hand pollination is becoming impossible as the heat spikes. In vanilla wars, farmers face theft and violence. Wine is a map being redrawn. The ancient vineyards of Spain and Italy are hitting a 2-degree wall. Production is migrating to England and Scandinavia as the traditional Mediterranean regions dry up. Bees are silent laborers, but they are falling into the false spring trap. They emerge and they starve. Colony loss is reaching 70%. Without these pollinators, the secret seeds have no future. The cycle breaks. Colony loss is reaching 70%. Without these pollinators, the secret seeds have no future. The cycle breaks. But the most hidden threat is nutritional dilution. Rising CO2 makes plants bigger but less dense. We are losing zinc, iron, and protein in our staples. We are growing food that feeds us less. This is hidden hunger, a nutritional collapse in a world that looks like it is full of plenty. Ocean heat waves hit 90% of the seas last year, threatening the base of the marine food web. Phytoplankton collapse threatens hundreds of millions who depend on marine systems for daily survival. Hundreds of millions depend on these marine systems for daily survival. But there is hope in the forgotten. Ancient grains like millet and amaranth evolved to thrive in harsh drought. They require fewer pesticides and less water. They are the genetic foundation of a new survival system. Amaranth is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It is sunlight converted to energy. Deep inside a mountain north of the Arctic Circle sits our fail-safe backup, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Carved into sandstone, it keeps seeds at minus 18 degrees. It is the world's vault against collapse. Carved into sandstone, it keeps seeds at minus 18 degrees. It is the world's vault against collapse. With capacity for 4 million varieties, it holds over 1 million samples, a backup for the entire human race. In 2015, it worked. Seeds were sent back to Syria to replace a collection lost to war. Regeneration begins with water. Permaculture swales are level trenches dug along contours to slow and sink water. Unlike ditches, swales allow water to infiltrate the ground. Trees nearby grow 30% faster. Moist soil is life. Keyline design uses the land's own shape to guide water away from wet valleys and across dry ridges. Hydration. Designing with the land, not against it, this is the first step towards self-sufficient survival. Underground, a secret network is working. Mycelium transfers billions of tons of carbon from plants to the soil. It is a carbon pump. Fungi provide nutrients to plants in exchange for liquid sugar, symbiosis. It is a carbon pump. Fungi provide nutrients to plants in exchange for liquid sugar, symbiosis. Fungi provide nutrients in exchange for sugars. They produce glomalin, the glue that stabilizes our very earth. Hugelkultur mounds use buried logs to hold moisture deep underground for years at a time. They act as a permanent sponge. Even in a drought, your plants can tap into hidden water. Gray water filtration through gravel, sand, and charcoal creates a closed-loop system for your garden. Urban resilience starts on your balcony. Every inch counts in the battle for food independence. Vertical gardens turn concrete walls into productive food sources. High-tech meets ancient need. Indoor composting turns waste into liquid gold. No yard? No problem. The soil still wins. Guerrilla gardening. Life finds a way in the most neglected corners of the concrete jungle. Saving seeds is an act of defiance. It is the ultimate security against a changing market. Build a living bank of genetics tailored specifically to your microclimate and your family's needs. One single heirloom seed holds the biological code for 1,000 future meals. Protect it. In a survival situation, you must know how to test new plants. Step 1, skin contact. Wait. Step 2, lip contact. If there is no burning or itching after 15 minutes, proceed carefully. Collective food security is built neighbor by neighbor, sharing tools, seeds, and the secret knowledge. This is the true hidden system, interconnected survival. We grow together or we fail alone. The Green Revolution saved billions, but at a cost of degradation, shifting back to regeneration, mimicking natural ecosystems. Climate adaptation is no longer optional, the only path left. Read the clouds, the soil, and the seasons. Map your future. Agroforestry and seed saving protect your family's independence. The farms that adapt protect security. Home growers protect freedom. The question is no longer whether climate change affects food. Learn to grow with the climate. This is your hidden system. Subscribe today. We will see you in the next discovery.